This is why rollout shelves matter. When you pull it, it brings all of your items to you. It eliminates the need to reach deep into dark cabinets or storage areas. Most of the time, if you can't see it, you won't use it, and you may buy the same thing again. In this video, I'm going to show you our laundry room cabinet upgrade where we installed rollout shelves. We'll show you how we installed them and why dovetail joints matter. Hey guys, we're Darius and Akila of DIY Power Couple.
And we're here to help you update your home
and save money by doing it yourself. In case you didn't know, rollout shelves may also be called pull-out trays, and they can be an add-on to RTA ready-to-assemble cabinets. So let me show you how we built this one. Here's some of the tools you may want to have on hand when doing this project. RTA rollout shelves have pre-cut pieces for easy assembly. Line up the grooves on each part so that the back panel will slide in correctly. And do your best to keep the sides straight so they don't mess up your joints.
I'm dry fitting all the joints together to make them flush before we nail them.
Sometimes it's good to have another eye on your project, because you could accidentally miss something. These pieces fit and the nailer just keeps it together.
The two shelf boxes are built, and now it's time to install the sliders.
The way you take these rails apart is there's a little black part right here that sticks out. You want to see that right there? And then you want to pull that down and pull. Now you can pull the whole thing out. This particular shelf allows you to decide which way you would like to be the front. Since both sides look the same, we decided to make this the front of the shelf. And you can easily place your screws in the pre-drilled holes. I'm just hoping that this will fit all the way into the cabinet and that the cabinet door will shut correctly. We found out that we should move the slider to the back of the shelf and attach it there with the screws so that it will fit flush in the cabinet. This way, the pantry cabinet door will be able to close correctly.
We're going to take out the old shelves and put in the new rollout ones.
I'm thinking about how great I know these rollout shelves will be for my wife, because now she won't have to reach so far into the cabinet just to pull out the things that she needs. I know that if I put this together right, it'll help my wife and my mother-in-law. Pretty much everybody in the house. Let me know in the comments if you didn't know how to separate the slides before you watched this video. Type "I didn't" in the comments. To get me started, I used the brackets from the stationary shelves to align the sliding rails while I'm installing them. Because we want you to continue to be safe, watch your fingers when screwing in the slide inside of the cabinet. One thing you should know about this part of the project is that the back of the slides need to be level and the same width as the front of the slides. This will aid in allowing the shelf to slide back and forth smoothly. You know, I'm happy thinking about these rollout shelves when compared to our old cabinets. I like to pull the items into the light versus grabbing them from the dark. Doing this project helped us to learn the key features that make a drawer or cabinet quality or not. Just so you know, there's several types of dovetail joints. So number one, there's the through dovetail. That's where the pins and tails are visible on both sides. It's the strongest and most traditional. It's common in solid wood drawers, but these drawers are plywood. So the second type is a half blind dovetail. That's where the dovetails are hidden from the front. You have a clean drawer face and strong sides. It's very common in quality cabinets.
And that's what we have.
And number three, hand cut dovetails. The hand cut is slight variations, has an artisan look, and is a higher cost. And obviously it's a higher cost because it's handmade. While doing this project right here, I found that there's something called a joiner machine where you can create your own dovetail for rollout shelves that you build. This is my first time installing this type of shelf, and I want you to know that you can DIY too